So good morning friends. So first of all, uh, congratulations to all the students who had cleared the JAIB. So in this video we are going to describe about the JAIB passing criteria, whether you had passed, because many students are still in confusion that they are passed or not, and many students are in dilemma whether they had passed with first class or first class with distinction or not. So in this video you will get all your doubts clarified. So let us start. So let us talk about the first attempt, first physical attempt. It means you are appearing for the JIIB for the very first time. Means prior to this you had not attempted the JIIB. This is the first physical attempt. So let us talk about this first, then we will move to other case. So uh, in this case, for getting pass, the clear fundamental for each paper is you will have to score minimum 45 marks in each subject and greater than 150 in total. So what it means? It means you will have to score minimum 45 marks in each subject, but again the total marks must be 150 in total or 150 and greater in total, then it will be considered as pass. Let us take the various cases. Case 1, what I mean to say, let us take the basic 50, 52, 55. Everyone knows that this is pass. Let us take case 2. Suppose you had got 52, then again 49, then 55. Again, what you will find that the aggregate marks in total is minimum 150, and each individual subject is greater than 45. It means you are pass. Let us take case 3. In case 3, suppose you had got 49, 48, then 58. Check the first criteria. Greater than 45 years, greater than 45 years, greater than 45 years. Let us sum this. If you will sum 8, 8, 16, 9, 25, 5, 4, 9. 5, 4, 9, 4, 13 and carry over 2. So again it is minimum 150. So it means you are again pass. So let us take case 4. Suppose you had got 45, then 45, then 70. Again criteria holds. Let us sum this. 45, 45, 90 and this is 160. Again greater than 150, greater than equal to 150. So again it will come under pass category. Let us take case 5. 44, 49, 52. So this is the most confusing case. But since why this is confusing, because many students are confused whether they have to give one more exam or two more exam in the next attempt. So check the first criteria. This is less than 45. It means you will have to reappear on this exam. This is greater than 45, but let us take another case. This is greater than 45, first criteria holds. This is greater than 45, first criteria holds. Let us sum this. 4, 9, 13 to 15, then again 5, 4, 9, 4, and this is 145. So what you will see that this is less than 150. It means you are not pass in total. And if we talk individually, in that case, since you had in the first attempt you had not scored greater than 50 and greater than 45 in each individual subject, it means you are not pass in this case. Then take another case. Suppose 45, 49 and again 52. So again in this case you are pass individually in this, you are pass individually in this, you are pass individually in this, but when you add this you will get less than 150. It means you will have to reappear in this exam and this exam. So again in this category you are not pass in total and you will have to reappear for these two exams. Let us take another case 45, 48 and 60. You are pass in this, you are pass in this, you are pass in this individually. As a whole this is 60, 100, 145 and again this is greater than 150, greater than equal to 150. So again you comes under pass category. So these all examples I hope had cleared your doubts. For this was the example for first physical attempt, first attempt only. Let us talk about the second attempt. As we all are aware that JAIIB exam you can give in 4 continuous attempt. It means in the 4 continuous attempt you can appear the 3 paper and you will have to clear it, otherwise you will have to consider all exam as a phrase. So again let us talk about other case, 4 continuous attempt case. Suppose in the first attempt you got 45, 48 and 52. What it means? It means you will have to reappear for these exams, but when you will reappear for this you will have to score minimum 50. Now 45 marks criteria would fail because 45 marks criteria is valid for first attempt only. So again you will have to score minimum of 50 marks. So in this case, suppose you are giving paper 1, paper 2, so you will have to score minimum 50, minimum 50 in this, in both the cases, because in paper 3 you had already scored 52. So this would be considered as pass. Then take another case. Suppose you had scored 49, 52, 50. In this case you will not have to reappear for this, but you will have to reappear for this. No, but in this case you are considered pass. Let us keep this 45. You will have to reappear for this. So again when you reappear for this exam you have to score what? Minimum 50 marks. So I hope this would have cleared all your doubts regarding the passing criteria. Now let us take the first class. In the first class you will have to get 60% or more in aggregate. Means you will have to, your marks should be 60% or more in aggregate and you must be pass in all the subjects, but this is valid for first physical attempt. It means only in the case of first physical attempt the criteria of first class and first class with distinction happens. Rest in all cases it doesn't qualify for the first class and first class with distinction. Now take second case, first class with distinction. In this case you will have to score 70% or more marks in aggregate. and 60% or more in individual subjects. So let us understand this with example. First, take example of first class. What I told, 60% or more marks in aggregate. It means suppose you had got 60, 62, 65. Then it comes under first class. Then suppose 52. Let us suppose 58. Again 70. Again the aggregate sum is greater than 60% and you had passed in all the exams. Again this comes under first class. Let us suppose 50, 52 and 54. You had passed in all the exams, but the aggregate sum is not greater than 60%. So this is just a pass. So now consider the case of first class with distinction. So in this case you will have to score 70% or more marks in aggregate and 60% or more marks in each subject. It means suppose you had scored 60, 62 and 80. Again you are passed with first class and distinction. Then again suppose you are got 59, 60 and 80. Again the aggregate is greater than 70%, but you will not, this is 82, but you see in this case it is not greater than 60%. So this criteria fails. So this will come under what? First class only. First class. So this was the case for passing criteria. I hope you had get your all doubts cleared. So with this I am going to end this video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share for such video. Thank you.